Alright guys, this is Mike from Budget Tech Reviews here, and we are on the road here going to a local arcade at my local venue. If you guys don't follow my YouTube channel, I'm from Texas. I'm from South Texas actually, and we're hitting up an old school local arcade that of course has a lot of newer stuff like PlayStation 4. I was gonna say the Wii U, but I guess yeah, they have Smash Bros tournaments there. They have a lot of fighting game tournaments.
They have Switches. Yeah,
they have Switches, but they also have a lot of old arcade games as well. And excuse the bumps, this is pretty nasty over here. My ride over here, the ride quality is kind of bad, but it's all right. But anyway, so we're on the way. We're driving. We're on the road, as you can see here, right? And I'm gonna just get some footage of the arcade when we get there, and just to show you guys. I'm gonna give Critical Hit a huge shout out just because it's a place that a lot of people like to go to, for retro games. They have a lot of old school arcade games, but it also has a mix of new stuff. And if you guys are big DDR fans, you'll like the arcade a lot because it has a few DDR machines as well. So again, guys, we're gonna check it out right now. Okay. Alright, so I just showed up to Critical Hit Arcade, kind of an underground scene over here in Alamo, Texas, and there's some cars out here, so there's gonna be probably a few people out there already playing inside, and I just kind of want to show you guys the door. Like, this used to be kind of like a makeshift car shop, I guess. You can see the building, so who knows, you might get shot out here. I don't know what's going on, but if you go over here, you can see Critical Hit Arcade logo over here. You're gonna have a few friends walk in right now. They're excited. They're about to beat some DDR. So we're coming inside, underground scene. Hello. Hi, how's it going, guys? So as you can see here, there's a lot of wall scrolls. I'll show you right now. This is just the entrance of the arcade. You got a few people here chilling. Say hi. So once you enter the arcade, obviously it's got an old school feel to it. Once you enter, you're gonna have the front desk counter right here. You got this little kid checking out the arcade right here also. You got your friendly store owner right here. His name's Ham. Got a few people behind the desk here. Hello. And then you just have a wide array of setups here. Got some loud music playing in the background. Alright, so my favorite thing to do when I'm chilling at the arcade is of course playing DDR. I got a buddy of mine playing right now. Check it out. Alright, so we're still here at Critical Hit Arcade, and there's a lot of stuff going on. There's some people playing some fighting games in the background. I'm still here chilling with my buddies playing some DDR. We're getting our sweat on, if you know what I mean. And one of the reasons why I come to this arcade over here in Alamo, Texas is because I like to play DDR. Little known fact about me, guys. If you guys don't watch my YouTube channel, I have a lot of videos, 200 plus videos on my channel. And there's small indicators that I've played DDR in the past, but I actually have a separate YouTube channel from when I used to be a consistent player back in the day. So it was one of those things where I just didn't, appreciate at the time, I guess, but now that I'm back, I've recently started playing again this past November of 2017, and you know, I'm glad that there's a place like this out here that exists, so that I can come and chill, get a few sets in, relax, hang out with the friends. You know, I got peeps over here just playing doubles, playing the Supernova machine. Got the owner right there, one of the owners at least. And just so you guys know, they do have a GoFundMe right now because these guys actually hit up our conventions and tournaments, and they actually donate a lot of their time. Recently they lost their van, so in a fire there was a mechanical issue with the van on one of their road trips. So I'm actually gonna post the link in the description below so you guys can maybe help donate. I think their goal for donation is about $1,500. Right now they're a little over $800. So if you guys can contribute, even if it's like $5, that would help out a lot. Again, I'm a big fan of this place. It's a place where I can come and just chill with my buddies. You know, there's a lot of classic arcade games here. You know, we have racing games, fighting games, shooting games, just a different variety of type of 80s style games like Galaga, Pac-Man, etc. like that. All the way up to the mid-90s games like Mortal Kombat 3, The Simpsons, etc. like that. So guys, I'm gonna probably throw a set in right now because I enjoy playing DDR, so I'm gonna get that going real quick for you guys, okay? So we're leaving the arcade, pretty tired, juicing up some DDR. So we're about to get out of here. If you guys want to see the arcade in the daytime or in the light, this is what it looks like with light. They're closing down shop. Say bye to the YouTubers out there.
They're all for sale.
Everything's for sale. $5. But yeah, we're headed out. This is Critical Hit in Alamo. She cannot find her key, so we're gonna be stuck here. And of course, you know, when you go outside, there's actually a bar right over there. Let me see if I can zoom in on that. It's called Sandra's. That's my sister's name. Sandra's. But yeah, if you guys are into classic arcade gaming with a little bit of the new style stuff, a lot of the consoles, PS4s, Xboxes, Switches, whatever you want to call them, this is it, Critical Hit. And if you guys have any questions or comments on this, it's in Alamo, Texas, just hit me up. Yeah! Hit me up, and of course, you know, this is Mike signing off. We'll catch you guys on the next video. Peace out.